Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can see hours played on your PS4. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delays, let's get into it. For that matter, simply go ahead, first of all access it, and right over there you're going to tap on your profile icon on top right corner. Once you have done so, you're going to simply access this options right over here. Go ahead, choose the option called profile. Upon doing that, you will find this kind of interface right over here. All you have to do is simply go to the section of games given right there. Once you have done so, you're going to find this kind of interface. You will be able to see all of the games that you have played so far recently. And if you look to the right side of each game, you will see the hours played right over there. So this is the simply way for you to access it, and you can check out for any of the game accordingly. If you tap on this filter icon given on your left side, then you will also be able to get these options where you can simply sort by or filter by the last played, most played, game names accordingly. And you can also choose by genre and platforms as well for you to see whether how many hours you have played on each game. So that is basically it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.